Yo, can you tell that this morning workout was late? Hi faves, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, whew, let me catch my breath there. Wow. Just finished working out and come on to say hi to you guys. I'm heading to this long weekend and I'm so looking forward to it. By the time you guys watching this, it would have been Monday, which means the weekend will still be going on because Monday is gonna be Easter Monday. So happy Easter Monday to y'all who are watching this, and who, whenever time you're watching this, just have a good day. When I woke up this morning, my friend called and I was telling her that, yo, after this conversation having with you, I really don't feel like working out, but I need to get up and I need to do it, and I still didn't feel like working out. I'm saying this to say that it doesn't matter how you feel, just get up and go through the motions. I am 100% sure that it's going to end up completely different than how it started. At least 90% sure that it's going to end up better than how you started. And I woke up and I tried to shake off the feeling, and I stopped putting effort in shaking off the feeling. I just continue listening to music, and the more I listen to the music is more my body starts twitching, and the more I feel in the mood and the more I feel in the groove, and I just keep going and going and going. And an hour plus later, look, mission accomplished. I feel good, workout is done. So it doesn't matter how you feel, it doesn't matter what anyone is going to tell you, just do it. It will all work out in the end. You thank me for saying that. Just do something. It doesn't matter what is it you do. I love dancing, and I find myself dancing throughout workout these days, and you might be surprised to know that just by dancing, the amount of calorie that I burn is just crazy. It's just keeping fit, just staying motivated. And when I start my day like this, I promise you that I'll have an amazing day when I start my day with workout. But when I don't start my day with workout, man, I have to find that groove and that push to keep motivated and keep going. So with all that said, excuse me, let me stop rambling and just motivate you guys to have an amazing day. And it doesn't really matter what the negative energy around you, don't let it define your day, don't let it define who you are. Shake it off, do something, ignore all the energy and stay positive and stay blessed and stay smiling and stay happy and stay pumped. Why am I in such an awesome mood? That's what workout do to me. Keep my adrenaline going, and I'm just happy when I do workout. If I can work out every day for the rest of my life, I'll be one happy camper. Anyway, you guys, if it's your first time watching, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe before you continue watching. And before you leave, baby's off to work. Tyler is somewhere around in the living room listening to his tablet. I'm going to get up, pack up these weights I lift this morning instead of just running. Pack up these weights, go and make my green juice, catch a fresh, and get my day started. A long day ahead of us. Have an amazing day. I love you guys, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. I'm just here replying to messages and having lunch, and I just came up on a message from one of our amazing subscribers that she really rarely misses a vlog by the name of Nikki Beckford. She said that she enjoyed watching our vlog because it really cheers her up, especially in the time like now when she lost her dad. She felt so connected to us, and that comment just made me get so teary-eyed. One, because I know how she might be feeling in losing someone so dear to you. And two, I am happy that our vlogs actually make her feel better just by watching us. That alone is just so amazing. So Nikki, I'm sending you my condolences, my love, and I hope you feel better. I'm not going to tell you that you're gonna get over it, because it takes time and nobody really knows how you feel. But I'm happy that her vlogs actually make you feel a little bit better. So my condolences, honey, and hopefully we put a smile on your face yet through another vlog. Lots of love. Mwah.
And not Papa, it's Mama.
Yeah, it's Mama, it's not Papa. Papa is at work. Hello. How was your nap? Your nap was good? All right, come, let's go. Come on. Yeah. Can you say hi, Fibs? How are you guys? You want a pee-pee?
Mama.
Choo-choo train. Yes. Hey, you're just chilling? Oh my gosh, you guys, I am pulling out my hair. It's time to go. My hair needs to wash. Look at that. You guys, you see this gray hair? And there are many more where that one came from. My mom tell me I get it from my dad, because my dad gray early. So I guess this is where all of those gray hairs coming from, I guess. I'll have to dye my hair at some point in my 30s. You guys, the weather outside moved from sunny to this. Yep, it's raining and raining and raining. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have been so busy. It's crazy. I finished washing my hair and I've just decided to clean. I started washing the bathroom, and the bathroom leads to the bedroom, and the bedroom leads to the toilet, and the toilet leads to the toilet room, and I just kept going and going and going, and I can't stop. I guess it's a Good Friday in my house. I'm seeing that it's Good Friday, might as well we just make the day be good and get it over with. So I've been just in my element and working. I haven't been vlogging. I'm just in my zone, just cleaning and cooking at the same time. I'm making some mashed potatoes and fish for Tyler. So that's what's basically up. And it's raining non-stop raining outside, you guys. Okay guys, so this is Tyler dinner and it's hot, so I'm not gonna give it to him just yet. You guys, my hair still haven't finished. I haven't get it done as yet. It shrink like crazy. Tyler is off the bed and I am just getting something to eat. Can you guys guess what I'm having for dinner? All my Jamaicans know what I am about to eat right now. I'm not, babes, I'm to give a clue. I'm not gonna give no clue because my Jamaicans know what I'm gonna eat.
Friday, everybody eats the same thing.
Happy Good Friday, y'all. It's only right. And yes, I am going to eat off these two big slices of bun and cheese without apologies. The best Good Friday ever. Good Friday couldn't pass and I don't do the Jamaican tradition, okay? So I'm about to enjoy this bun and cheese. It smells so good. Smells so good. So I'm going to stop chit-chatting and go enjoy my bun and cheese. And yes, guys, baby's home. There he is over there.
Hi guys. Happy Good Friday. Yeah, today I'm not celebrating Good Friday. I'm celebrating the weekend coming. And we have 3 days. Monday will be holiday. I don't know. Is it Good Friday is holiday in Jamaica? Okay.
Nobody goes to work today.
Good Friday is not holiday in France. I mean, I went to work today, but a lot of places, institution will be was closed, but people work on Good Friday. But tomorrow, Sunday, weekend, and Monday is Easter Monday. Monday is holiday. I mean,
Everywhere.
3 days off. 3 days off. That would be a release. I really had a hard week this week. Like the changement of times really get me. I'm still didn't get it in the morning. Oh, the morning looks extra tired. So hopefully I will be able to get some extra sleep tomorrow morning, and then gonna have to do what gonna have to do. But yeah, I'm looking forward for this weekend to rest for the Saturday morning, so then I will be full of energy, and Monday after will be nice. So enjoy your weekend, enjoying this. If you have family moment, if you have all of this, enjoy all of this moment coming. And yeah, I hope you all doing well and happy, and yeah, it's spring coming, Easter is there, everything right.
Finally get to throw some crazy ass stuff in my hair. The natural hair is back for a week or so until I decide to throw some more braid in it.
You have some more bread, extra bread?
No, I'm gonna have to order online.
No.
We've been watching How to Get Away with Murder, and it just keeps getting better for the episodes that we watch tonight. What's the expressions for tonight?
I don't have an expression, but I have a word. Earlier you said today was
Good Friday.
Good Friday. So I just wanted to say the French translation for today. And today we say Vendredi Saint. It's the same thing than Good Friday, it's just the way we say it in French. So Vendredi means Friday, and Saint is like Saint somethings. Understand? Like Saint Louis, Saint Melissa, Saint Catherine, Saint Elizabeth.
How it goes?
Vendredi Saint.
Vendredi Saint.
Vendredi.
Leave me alone with your R. Vendredi.
Oh Lord, I'm not sure.
Did he really just do that?
Try to say Saint. There's no how. Saint. If Tyler was here, but Tyler will have to Vendredi.
I can't believe you just shade me like that. But it's alright, I'll take it.
Saint.
Leave me alone. Sa.
Right.
Bam. But now go say it again. Anyway, you guys, since it's Good Friday, I'm gonna tell you the food word for today, and the food word for today is bun and cheese. Bun and cheese is what you guys saw me eating for dinner. So if you guys skip the vlog to this point, then you have to go back to watch to see what bun and cheese is,
Look like.
or what it looks like. So what's the word for today?
Vendredi.
No.
Bun and cheese.
Yes. So there you guys have the Jamaican.
I don't like bun and cheese.
He's not a fan of bun and
I like
cheese
the
at
cheese,
all.
even if it's just a regular cheese. But the bun, I don't like the bun.
You guys, let me give you a funny joke. I took some of the bun and cheese to some of my colleagues, and they told me that they didn't like the cheese because it doesn't have any taste to them, and because French cheese have high taste.
Oh yeah.
and Jamaican cheese to them is just bland and don't have any taste. So they say they don't like the cheese, but the bun, guess and tell me what they said that they do with the bun, and they're in love with the bun. They toast it in the toaster. I couldn't believe it. I laughed so hard. I'm like, oh my gosh, I never thought of doing that. Jamaicans would never do that. Like, who does that? Who toasts bun? So they say they toast the bun and it was yummy. So I need to try an experiment and toast the bun. You guys, toast your bun, even though you probably despise me after telling you that, and tell me how it tastes. Anyway, you guys, there you have the Jamaican expression and the French word for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Yes.
With what R.
I totally slaughtered today's word, but anyway.
That was a disaster. You failed. You failed.
He says I'm a failure, but that's okay. I'll take it. I won't argue this one. Anyway, you guys, if it's your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you won't miss a video. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up with the fam, and we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.